While Ray and I were looking at this panel, we realised that there's a hell of a lot of work to fix it. It's also full of holes. I thought I'd have a look at this panel. It also comes with a lock. The underside looks bad, but to me looks like a better candidate. I'm psyching myself up. Do some Jaffa cakes. 3. And some Gold Heist rum. Thanks to Will from next door for this. Let's get cracking. I'm going to put that in a cellophane or whatever material bag I get. Oh freaking dear. It looked good, but it ain't. You see this little corner? Watch what happens when I start trying to clean it. Oopsie daisy. You got to get down to bare metal, right? Got to get all the rust off. Oh dear. We're in trouble. I thought this was a better panel. This isn't an easy repair because Mr. Tony's here.
The axle.
The axle thing. Tony's just inserted something. What's that thing called?
Well, this is the oil seal.
No, the other thing before the oil seal.
Well, it's the main twisty turning thing. We'll put it in.
And that's the seal, yeah?
This is the oil seal. I've got a few of these, so I mean.
Do you put it in dry, no lube?
All the old things full of oil, right?
No, I mean like to help you insert it, or do you?
No, I would say it goes in dry.
Nice and dry, yeah?
This piece I found in a box, I think it's a spacer. It goes there, look. See the line where it was, look.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Where's the
puller?
sprocket?
What sprocket?
The coupler?
The cup. It's on the thing.
Is it?
I don't know what I don't know.
I've got shims in the kit over.
Uh-huh. Moving.
It's moving, but it's not rushing.
It's not rushing.
Yeah. I don't want to damage these shims in case I need them, because they might be different size, you know what I mean?
Well, unfortunately, I can't find the front flange, so Tony can't continue with it. Hi, guys.
Well, I'm hoping to turn this
Yes.
into this.
Wow.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah. Hello, Raymond.
Hiya.
What are you doing, Raymond?
Messing.
I like to see a tool used for its purpose.
Sarcasm.
Right. Raymond is masking out the inner arch. Right, harder to reach areas first, yeah?
Yep.
Did we not say grey, man? This looks more black.
Rather dark, isn't it?
Yeah, that's thinner. Do you have to dilute it or something? It's coming out better now, mate. Freaking dark grey, isn't it? A very foggy day. And it's bitterly cold. This is all grey, mate. All grey. Yep, good progress. So Kate's underbelly is all stone guarded now. There, and I need to finish off a bit of work there. There's a bit more work to be done. There's always a bit of work to be done. So yeah, making very good progress. The Transit has had its wheels powder coated. And they look delicious. Really good quality. If you guys want your wheels powder coating and you're in the West Midlands, try a company called Project Powder Coating. Now I am removing what I call the rear scuttle panel, which probably isn't a scuttle panel at all, but it is this thing here. There we go. Let's have a look. Take that Johnny off. These mounting points are the same. Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, this will need some serious wire brushing. Very foggy out there today. Very nice and foggy. Kevlar is approaching completion for these carburetors. The linkages are gone on now.
Lovely.
We've got a nice little fire going. We received some carburetors today in the Ark of the Covenant packing. Victor powder. Yeah.
I reckon that's
You think it's collectible?
Victor powder. I mean,
What's the date on it? Has it got a date on it? Dude, it hasn't got 1948 on it, has it?
4 ounces, 1.5 pounds. It could be dynamite box.
Yeah, look at that, dude. That says that's got 28.
For the 10th.
48? Or is it, I mean, it can't be 48, man. Did they build
Surely.
boxes like this?
Yeah, but look at the 4 ounces. So it could
It's
be
old.
sticks of dynamite box. We're going to keep that bad boy because that is
Old.
nice. Yeah. It's okay.
Why can't I not sell Kate?
She's part of you now, dude.
I can still sell her. I can sell part of me.
Can't
You know that's illegal in this country, there.
What, selling part of you?
Yeah.
I don't think it's illegal, dude. I think it's illegal to have a brothel.
And the black market you can sell bits of your.
I don't think prostitution's illegal. Yeah?
Okay.
I don't think so. I'm not.
An organ now, dude.
I'm going to say that
This is like an organ.
Yeah, it's like part of your fucking body, dude. It's like your liver or your lungs. It's,
Check out this panel, dude. I've just sweated to get all the rust off it. Loads and loads of rust. I'm gonna zinc plate it. Oh, I'm not gonna zinc plate it, am I? It's getting ready for the spot welding, and it's gonna sit over here, which I've also repaired. Sweet, I'm gonna crack on with this badass car. The handsome Greek devil god has just finished prepping this panel with zinc. Well, it's not very pretty, but it's right. Mm-hmm. Absolutely bang on. I'm just going to tack it. I am chuffed with that. It fits nice with the boot and the windscreen, the rear screen, yeah. Mr. Blobby, Mr. Blobby. This one's a double hand, man. Yes! A bit of zinc and we're done. Okay. Hey chaps, it's a few days later, or a few weeks later. I've finished all my grinding inside, tidying up seam sealer, zinc, behind the arches, the insides of the arches, all the way around. Andy, a local Capri legend, came in the other day. He's given me this boot lid. I'm going to remove the fiberglass ducktail because he wants that for another build, and I'm going to keep the boot. The ones that I've got, oops, both rotted around here. Admittedly, I considered this ducktail, but it's just too tall, too much of a tail on it. How's it going?
Not too bad. Bought you a present.
There we go. That was a good idea, mate. It's gone right through the freaking boot, man. The boot's got holes in it. It's rust free, but it's got a lot of holes in it.
Can you use a flat screwdriver on that other one to turn it? Because it didn't, or was that tight?
I think it's a bit too late for any screwdriver job. There we go.
I'm just about to say, do you want me to support it?
Yeah. Right, that's going back to Andy. Oh dear. What do you reckon?
Plank work's a bit rough.
Man, it's in amazing condition.
Most of this was just
Metal
full
work.
back.
Yeah. Thank you, Jess, for the Pink Panther wafers. Thank you, dude. I'm going to write Kate on this. So this is going off to John Stanmore in a box. This is Kate's wiring loom with what Ian, aka Tesla, marked a few years ago. So we're going to send these to John Stanmore. Shall I repeat his name? Because I keep saying his name over. I like the name. To incorporate the conversions that we're doing.
Who's it going to again?
John Stanmore. Okay. Well, that's Kate's electric stuff. You want to open the door? Whoa! Massive spark, man. That used to be a car. If Kate becomes a car that you think is beautiful, it's partly because of Andy. Andy lives about 200 meters away from me. He met me because he saw the videos and popped in one day or messaged me or something. He spurs me on. So he just turned up today and said, come on man, let's do something on Kate. If you like Kate, this man is partly responsible. Give me 5, dude. Okay. Thanks man. Now get to work, yeah? Cool.
I made you believe
We're more than just friends.
Seems like it right, but it doesn't mean that I'm serious.
This is nice. Postmodern jukebox. Thanks for watching guys. This is the end of this video. There's more progress been made, some good stuff, and I'm going to start editing that now to show you. Please do consider buying a sexy Rusty Love Dude Oil cap or something like this. Hoodies, Rusty Love hoodies. I've also got beanie hats. Let me demonstrate. Is that burgundy? Ooh, it's anthracite, I think. And of course we've got the navy blue. I'm going to try the anthracite. I knew I was going to be a model one day.
You believe we're more than just friends.
If you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing. If you think someone you know will also enjoy watching it, please do consider sharing it with them. Give us a thumbs up. So wherever you are, thanks for watching. Stay cool, and today is a new day. See you later.